If you want your Pyromusical to feel smooth and cohesive, try using an analogous color scheme. Analogous colors are colors that sit next to each other on the color wheel. Think red and orange or blue and green. And to find them, it's really easy. Just pick one color and find it on the color wheel and then grab the neighboring color that's right next to it. I built you a color wheel harmony selection and identification tool, and it's completely free to use. It's over on our website, bozy8823.com/rhythm pyro. Select Analogous from the harmony drop-down box, and then drag the center handle on the wheel around until you find what base color you want to use. And let the tool ID the analog complements to your base selection color. That cluster then becomes your design palette. Pick product based in that color world. In Pyromusicals, analogous colors feel even and coherent. They're great for visual unification within segments. The big advantage is how well the colors play on the field together, how well that they flow in a sight picture. Nothing feels like it's fighting for attention, but there's enough variance to keep patterning and separation. The caution with this color harmony, because your colors live in the same neighborhoods, pay attention to that patterning and sequencing, because you don't want things to start to look clunky or weak or unsegmented in asymmetrical ways. That's when things can fall flat. So when using the analogous color scheme, make sure that you factor in things like effect type and vertical separation and sequencing. Pacing as a whole is a good thing to focus on. If you want to go deeper on color and Pyromusicals, check out episode number 98 of the Rhythm Pyro podcast. We went full bore for an hour and a half discussing color and going over real world examples and applications of where we used different harmonies on the field in our work. It's a video episode. It's up on YouTube. I encourage you to watch there. There's a lot of visual references, but if you can't, I understand. The episode's available anywhere you like to listen to podcasts too. Adios, muchachos. I will talk to you next time. Stop talking about it. I didn't learn how to say that in Spanish. Stop talking about it. Si sabla. Si sabláis. I don't think that's it. English to Spanish. Stop talking about it. Oh, yeah. That was way off. Deja de hablar de eso. Deja de hablar de eso. Deja de hablar de eso. Deja de hablar de eso.
Deja de hablar de eso.
Oh.